Hey everyone, I'm Darryl from Spin Customs. I've got a Glowforge and it's changed my life completely. I bought this machine just to express my creativity and I had no intention of selling product, but friends wanted it and then friends of friends wanted it. I actually paid this machine off in the first 2.5 weeks of owning it, just with this one design. And that's the file I'm going to be running today. It's gonna take about 12 minutes or so to print, so let's get right in. There you go, we are in. Glowforge has read the barcode here and it's already chosen thick walnut plywood for me. Basically, all I gotta do is position the artwork where I want it, so we're ready to go. Let's click print. All right, I'm back in my workshop. The button is glowing. Oh, like butter! There you go. Personalized monograms, 12 minutes, 30 bucks in my pocket. Cha-ching! We have sold probably close to 1,000 of these now. You can absolutely create a home-based Glowforge business. I'm living proof, we're doing it. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys.